welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. The video I'm doing today is like an ultimate self-care routine. So I have a wedding that I'm in coming up and I just need to do all the things like wash my hair, paint my nails, paint my toenails, just like everything so I can look nice. And I thought I would turn it into a self-care night video. So you can see all of the products that I'm using, everything I'm doing. So I'm going to be taking you along in that process with me. First, I have to wash my hair because it's been more than a week and it doesn't look bad, especially, I don't think it looks bad on camera at all, but it just feels when your hair is like well past when it needs to be washed and you could just feel your scalp, just dirtiness. I'm actually trying out a new shampoo and conditioner, new to me, not new to the world. I don't think these are cruelty-free. I try to only buy cruelty-free products, but this was a gift a while ago from someone. So this is the Matrix Biolage Exquisite Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. I ran out of conditioner, so I thought I would try this out and then might as well try out the shampoo with it. And then something I have absolutely been loving is this Macadamia Professional Oil Infused Hair Repair Mask. I've heard so many good things about this brand, and they are a little bit pricey, but I got this on clearance at Ulta. I don't know how it even made it to clearance, but this is their Ultra Rich Repair Mask, coarse to coiled textures. So my hair isn't coarse to coiled, however, it was the only one on sale, so I thought I would give it a shot, and my hair could use the extra moisture. My hair is kind of coarse, but not what I think this is aiming at. This is also 100% vegan, which is amazing, and I'm not even halfway through it, but I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this, even though it is more expensive than what I bought it for. So I'm not going to be taking a full-on shower, just washing my hair right now. So let's get this fixed. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. I do like that shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if it's cruelty-free, so if it isn't, I won't be purchasing it. So I think this time I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I feel like it looks best and a lot less frizzy when I air dry it versus using heat. So we're going to do that. So I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry and I'm gonna get something a little bit comfier for the rest of this self-care day. Okay, so my hair air dried. I am in something comfier and I washed my face to get all the makeup off because now I'm going to be shaving my face. So every so often I will do this where I will take a razor like this, like a facial razor, and get all the peach fuzz off of my face. I don't do it religiously because sometimes it's just like the extra step I'm not gonna do, but I do notice a difference in how my foundation looks on my face. So I was thinking I want to look good for these pictures, so I'm gonna take off as much peach fuzz as I can. I believe if it's done professionally, it's called dermaplaning, but since I am not a professional, it's called shaving my face. So I washed my face, but I haven't put on moisturizer. I think that is the correct way to do it because I think if I put on moisturizer, then I'm just gonna be scraping the moisturizer off, you know? But I'm also going to sanitize this with rubbing alcohol since it's going on my face. I just don't wanna risk getting any bacteria on there. I also am gonna try to avoid the acne. I know that you can't get dermaplaning done when you have acne, so I'm just gonna go around it. I don't know if this is gross or if it's gonna even show up on camera, but there's my peach fuzz. You don't realize how much is there until you start shaving. Okay, so we are finished. It looks smoother, it feels smoother. I'm gonna wait to apply moisturizer, just give my skin like a second to breathe. And meanwhile, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Okay, so what I like to do for my eyebrows when I like really want them to be looking good, I mean, I don't have a ton of eyebrow, honestly, but I do still like to shape them up just so it's easier when I'm applying brow product to like get more defined shape. So something I will do is I will comb my eyebrows hairs like all the way up. I did this actually recently, so it's not gonna look how it normally does for how long I wait, but I will comb them up, and then if there are any pieces that are like out of alignment or just like way too long, I will go with these little mini scissors and just cut across. I did do this recently, but an issue I have is like, not so much an issue, but they will grow long, and then if brow product isn't keeping them up, they'll just like fall down and make me look like a little hairy monster. And it just looks really weird because like downturned eyebrow hair is just, it's not cute, at least on me. So I don't have much that I need to clean up, but just get a little bit. Okay, so that was pretty easy. And I'm also going to just pluck them like underneath where they are growing out of line. Okay, and there we have it. Sometimes if I am trying to be really quick, I will just use a facial razor underneath my eyebrows as well because it's super fast. Now I'm going to wash my hands, moisturize my face because it feels parched, and move on to the next step. The next step in my beautification process is to paint my nails. Both my toenails and my fingernails are in desperate need. I don't know what color to do for my toenails because the dress is like a wine cabernet and I can't find my burgundy colored nail polish. So I was thinking of something kind of neutral. So I was thinking like gold could be a good option, or just this like mauve color since it's very neutral. My shoes are nude, so I'm afraid that this is gonna like blend in too much. So I might do the gold, add a little sparkle. Not that anyone's even gonna see it, but like I'll see it. We have a visitor. Hi, baby. Hi. Say hi. Oh, don't. Thanks for saying hi. Bye. So this Kiss gel polish I actually got from Dollar Tree, and they had so many beautiful colors, and it goes on pretty opaque. So for that reason, I really like it. The only thing is, it does not last very long. Like I definitely notice a difference in using this versus something I didn't get from Dollar Tree. I try to extend it with a top coat as much as I can, but it doesn't last for very long. So I typically won't do this if I'm like going on a trip and I want it to last like throughout the entire trip, because it does start to chip kind of quickly. You hate the smell of nail polish, baby. Hi. So I did one layer, and honestly I could stop it there because it is opaque enough, and I'll show you, but I'm gonna do 2 just for good measure, and then a top coat. So it is opaque with 1 coat, so it's great for just like a really quick nail polish job, but I'm gonna do another layer. I hear the ice cream man. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. And then for top coat, I'm gonna be using, this is my favorite top coat. It's a sarahbeeyt Dry Fast top coat, and it really does dry down fast, and it really prolongs the life of my nail polish. Like I notice a direct difference. It can get expensive. I found it at Marshall's for half the price, but I'm pretty sure it is about $10 at Ulta if you buy it without any sales. Okay, so ignore the mess. We'll take care of that another day. But I got these nails, press-on nails from Marshall's as well. They were just $4.99, and they are like the Kiss Impress nails in that they already have the adhesive on them. I really like the Kiss Impress nails. I have a whole video on applying it and how long they last, and I do really like them, and I think they're so much easier to apply than using nail glue. I notoriously hate nail glue. I have never tried this brand. This is the Dashing Diva Magic Press, but I saw them in like the little checkout lane where Marshalls likes to get you. And this color looks like it'll match the dress, and they're just really pretty. So I thought I'd give them a try. I haven't tried the adhesive from this brand. Oh, shoot. I haven't tried this brand before, so I'm excited to see how long their adhesive lasts. I honestly love the case that it comes in, because then you can just store them back in here. So I guess this is gonna kind of be like a little review, but comes with a nail file, cuticle pusher, and a prep pad, which is helpful. Okay, they are prepped and ready. Let's start with my left hand. Line it and press down. I put it on a little crooked, but we'll do better. I'm actually gonna go nail by nail. Arrange it a little bit straighter. Doesn't help that I'm shaky. And it says it on the direction, but it's important when using these type of press-on nails to press down at like different angles, so all adhesive is getting pressure. Okay, I think that one looks a little better. These are longer than what I'm used to, and I am not used to this kind of shape. Hold on, my battery's dying. Battery is low, so I'm gonna try and do this as quickly as I can. It's already getting harder to do things because I'm so not used to having such long nails. How do people function with the really, really long acrylics? I don't get it. I don't understand. I'm gonna try and at least finish one hand before this battery dies. Okay, here is the finished look. I like them, they're really pretty. They were easy to apply and they feel stable. I don't know if I would buy this length or this shape again. I guess we'll have to see. I was just like trying to do some stuff on my phone, and I don't like not having nails to like, I'm just not used to having such long nails like this, but they're pretty and maybe they will grow on me and I'll get used to it. Here's the other hand. Don't mind my dry looking hands. Yeah, do you want dinner? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was kind of relaxing for you and it sparks you to do a self-care night for yourself, because we all deserve it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Oh, and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.